So I'm Lisa and this is Paul and this is our van Betty. This is Poppy the dog. Bought the van about 2.5 years ago. Took us about 5-6 months to convert, sort of part-time. Yeah,
absolutely love the van.
Love it, absolutely brilliant. Yeah.
This is exactly what we wanted, everything we've done. We just wanted the homely feel, and that's hopefully what we've achieved.
Like a home from home. Hi, so this is Betty. Come on board and have a look around the van. So this is our cooker. This windshield here has been really good where we are at the moment. We can just take it off, put it back in the box, put it behind the seat there. 12-volt fridge there that we've got. Also got another one back there, which I'll show you in a minute. Really handy to have 2 fridges. Cupboards up here is just basically sort of dry bits and things like that. Microwave that works on 240 volts, so if we're on a campsite and we're plugged in, we can use that one. And then down here, this is where our wastewater goes. Down here, so it's tucked away and it just goes straight from the sink down into that, and then we just empty it as we need to. These baskets are found really helpful because they can just sit on there and just come off as you want them to. Little gas cooker with a grill on top. That's been really helpful as well. A bit slower than normal home ones, but really, really good. Cutlery drawers in there, and then here we've just got sort of our cups and bits of food and things. Plates and pans and things are in the bottom there, so it's just about everything has a place, and put it back in that place when you finish using it, really. So lots of storage in this one here, which is actually part of the seat as well, which is really good. So that's just bits and bobs again. This chair here comes out completely, or we can bring it out here.
I'm Nate Murphy, and I have literally just bought this van to show you how to build a van. We have made a really detailed course which will help you go from this to this. You will learn everything you need. We help you specify your electrical system, and you'll be able to access the community all building their own vans at the same time.
We could turn this into an adult bed or a sofa, whatever we want, just by putting this table down. And you've also got your little dining area if you don't want to sit outside as well, which is good. Bookshelf, everyone's got to have a bookshelf. Full-size double bed. It's been really comfortable. Normal mattress on that one, so no problems getting a mattress. What I would say, if you're going to put in a bed, make sure you put the slats underneath, not just one solid piece of wood, else underneath your mattress will go mouldy. Lots of cupboards above the bed here for clothes, toiletries, towels and things, so sort of put them all along there. And what we have done with the toiletries, we've put them in like green boxes and things, so you can just pull it all out and then just put it back in as you want, so it sort of keeps it all in its place and keeps it tidy. 12-volt TV also works on 240 volt, so we can pull that one out as we want to. Also got a DVD player on it, so handy if you want to watch a film. Our water tank is under here, so we can fill it up externally, or we can top it up internally. Externally is obviously with a hose, but if we just want to add a little bit of water, we can just use our water containers and pour it in from inside. So that's really handy there. Under here, this is our latest thing that we've put in, and you put this one in a couple of weeks ago. It's quite nice because if Paul's sitting there, I'm sitting here, I can put my feet up, so it's like another little settee as well. But under here we've got our other fridge. Oh, and the water container is 80 litres, which suits us really well. So this is our 12-volt fridge here. Really, really good Dometic fridge this one is. Fridge or freezer. And we can get plenty in there. So that is a really, really good fridge. Always handy to have 2 fridges if you can fit them in. One of my favourite parts of the van, I would probably say, is the bathroom. We said we want a porta potty, and they said, well, the room it's going to take up, just put a board either side of that if we've got enough room. Might as well get the smallest shower tray, put that in as well, and we ended up with a bathroom, which is absolutely brilliant. So we've got a shower that we can use when we're off grid, which is brilliant. Both had a shower this morning. This one I made myself. When we use a shower, we take everything out, so that's really handy. You can just take that out, everything comes out, the porta potty comes out. Shower curtain, bit too long, so no drips that come out at all, but that's really good. And the other thing, if you're out soaking wet day, your coats are dripping, your shoes are dripping, you can put them in there, they can dry off. Also, little hooks here, that was a later addition as well. If, like me, you've got a wonderful camping washing machine, which is probably one of my favourite things, you've done your washings, not quite dry, you want to finish it off, you can just put a bit of string from A to B, hang your washing in there, and what I do, I put a little fan heater in, close the doors. It's like a little tumble dryer just to finish your clothes off, but that is probably one of the most valuable things to me that I absolutely love about Betty.
Hi, this is our van Betty. Start on the outside. We've painted her in a tractor enamel paint, and we just literally give her a clean. One coat, it's lasted 2.5 years so far. We put all the windows in ourselves. A little bit of checker plate on the bottom, a little bit rusty with these type of vans, but it's covered up, all sealed, gonna have no problems. We've got a 240 volt hookup if we need it, but hopefully we'll do more off grid. I've got 200 watts of solar on the top. We have another one to go on the front, running 2 180 amp batteries, which seems to be enough for the 2 fridges, the electric lights, anything we need. We have a water boiler, which works off 12 volt, 240 volt and gas, so wherever we go, we can use it. All the electrics are wired individually, so if I have any issues with one appliance, it's on its own wire, its own fuse, and there's no issues. We've got an awning on top, a family awning, one of the best things ever. So we've just been to France with 30-degree heat, came in very handy. Back, we have the ladder in the garage. It's one of my favourite bits. We have all the storage for spare food, shoes, all the tools, gas bottles, got to have a barbecue. All the electrics are hidden behind here, as well as the gas boiler, and at the back we have a water pump, the wife's twin tub washing machine. That's my toys. This is a Viking compass. Also meant to ward off evil. Absolutely love it. Will be a tattoo of mine soon. She's twin-wheeled on the back. Never got stuck. She's got us off every single muddy, sluggy piece of land you can imagine. Hence not having to use the boards. She just pulls away. Not an issue at all. It's a 4 litre, 110 brake horsepower Mercedes engine. Not the quickest, but she'll pull away anything. Hills a little bit slow, happily doing 60 all the way along motorways, dual carriageways. Just the hills are a little bit slow, but then with van life, we don't need to go fast. We're here to enjoy life, see what's about and enjoy. The maximum weight is 6.6 tonne. She weighs about 5 tonne as she is, so I'm a little bit under. She is a class 4, which we get away with for the MOT. But yeah, just one of the These are van life vans. Never got stuck, but I do have my recovery boards all the way from Germany. Just help me out if we get bogged down. Absolutely love the look of them. One of my favourite things as well.
One thing I would say, when one of you wants to have a lie-in, or one of you wants to get out of the shower and dry off, or one of you wants to just do this bit, work in this bit here, I've got a curtain, just basic curtain that I can either hook from there to have privacy there. It also hooks from here to here. So Paul can do the cooking and I can sit there quietly if I want privacy there. Or if I want a lie-in, I can put it right next to the bed. So I can stay in bed and he's got the rest of the van. And also I'm coming out of the shower, can put it across there. Got lots of room to dry myself off in. But I would definitely say that's one of my other favourites as well. Just something simple, but I love it. Well, we have a bit of a thing there. When we go to a site, before we do anything else, we both have a shot of Sambuca and then we set up, and we find that it does make it a lot easier to set up. So that's the start of our holiday. Oh, definitely got to be the dark. Once the mortgage is paid off, go and travel the world in Betty. You want to do Morocco, Spain, Portugal, after that, Asia.
Thank you very much for watching our van tour. I hope you enjoyed it and hope we see you all travelling. Say hello if you see us. You can't miss us. The big bright orange van.
You may have noticed that you can buy our ebook. Our ebook shows you how to build a van conversion. It has 190 pages of text, diagram and images showing you various options of various systems. It also comes with 25 videos that show you hands-on how to do many parts of building a van. Also, we have a course. The course is really in-depth. It shows you everything from how to use basic tools all the way through to doing your gas, your water and your electric installation. Not only that, but within the course, we support you hands-on in making your electrical specification. And you get to join a community of like-minded van builders who are building their vans at exactly the same time. Follow the links to find out more, and thanks for watching.